The video is a guide for replacing the TSDZ2B motor core. The accessory we need will be new motor core. Tools we need will be 2.5mm Allen key, Phillips screwdriver. Use 2.5mm Allen key to remove the 4M screws on the back cover. And remove the back cover. Use Phillips screwdriver to loosen the wire harness clips. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the core phase wires. And remove 3 phase wires. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 countersink screws securing the core. Disconnect the Hall sensor plug. Remove the original motor core. Install the new core into the main body. Reconnect the Hall sensor plug. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 4 countersink screws securing the core. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 3 screws securing the core phase wires. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten the wire harness clips. Arrange the phase wires. Put the back cover on. Use 2.5mm Allen key to tighten the 4M screws on the back cover. Tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence. Complete.